What if robot could handle all our household chores? Imagine coming home to a freshly prepared meal, or having a robot that keep your kids entertained when you're busy, or even take your pets for a walk. Not too long ago, this idea seemed like pure science fiction, laughable even. But now, in 2024, they are closer to reality than ever. Thanks to AI, a massive revolution has taken place in the field of robotics. dr.robot. This robot has the extraordinary ability to analyze and understand the object around it, allow it to have a 360-degree view of its environment. It can make a decision based on the surrounding condition and object present. Its height is about 1.2 meters and its weight 30 kilograms. With a single charge, it can operate for up for 7 hours, and its price is $50,000. That's number 2, Atlas by Boston Dynamic. An incredible robot with the ability to perform parkour moves, understanding its surrounding and adapt with high flexibility. Thanks to its strange and impressive environmental awareness, it's considered one of the close real-world candidates for future military-grade robots. Standing at 1.5 meters tall and weighs 75 kilograms. It can easily carry loads. However, due to the large number of advanced sensory it uses, Atlas can only operate for about 2 hours on a single charge. There is no official price listed, but experts estimated it could cost over $1 million. Number 3, Humanoid Robot, developed by 9 Technological University, is a highly human-like robot that grabbed a lot of attention thanks to its lifelike design and movement. The goal behind its creation is to build robots that closely resemble and behave like real humans. Nadine can interact with people in a natural and effective way, and in the future she might even take on roles like reception, advisor, or even legal assistant. She stands about 1.65 meters tall, weighs around 55 kilograms, can operate for up for 6 hours on single charge, and its price is $10,000. Number 4, S1 Robot. S1 is a smart all-in-one home assistant robot designed to handle your daily household chores. Remember when I said imagine come home after a long, exhausting day and finding a hot meal ready on the table, a clean house, and even your pet already taken for a walk? Well, this robot does exactly that without any complaint and always with precision. Standing at a 1.2 meter tall and weight 40 kilograms, it considered lightweight and compact. With a single charge, it can work for 5 hours, and the best part, it costs around $5,000, which is a great deal considering everything it can do. The final robot, Optimus Gen 2 by Tesla. When we talk about the most revolutionary robot of 2024, one name stands out above the rest, Optimus Gen 2 by Tesla. This robot is a true symbol of invention, intelligence, and cutting-edge design. With Optimus, Tesla didn't just build a machine, they redefined what robot can be. Optimus Gen 2 isn't just a robot, it's a potential companion, assistant, caretaker, or even a friend. It can do your grocery shopping, play with your kid, help around the house, and be there when you need a reliable helping hand. Thanks to Tesla's advanced AI integration, its response and acting are incredibly fast, accurate, and human-like, almost as if it can truly think. Standing at around 1.7 meters and weighing 60 kilograms, Optimus has a sleek humanoid design that feels familiar and approachable. It runs up to 8 hours on a single charge. As for the price, $20,000. Can you imagine a world where robots do everything for us? A life with no stress, no exhausting, no worries, just living while machine handle it all? But one big question still remains. Is this a giant leap toward a brighter future or the first step toward humanity's downfall? What do you think? Will the future with robots be a paradise or a nightmare? Comment us.